went to the police station and opened a case that I published a picture of her naked while I dumped her long time ago. While the guy was fucking me, who was too fat, the guy published the picture to prove a point to anyone. And then she knew that I can afford the lawyers and the whatever. And then I won the case.
Oh my gosh, that girl.
The guy was too fat.
And I told my he was bragging that he's dating my ex, because if I date any girl, everyone wants to date my ex-girlfriend. I don't know what's going on with me. Maybe I'm like, I don't know. Maybe I'm like honey or whatever. I don't know.
You are a blessing, my brother.
Yeah, so you understand the whole point.
You are.
I mean, I had to go.
You are what
But can I be honest? I have to talk about the bail for myself. People, they don't know these things. Should I tell you all my own life, or you wanna listen to these things? To be honest,
I'm listening to you. I'm listening to you, brother.
Okay, this is what happened. So it was in the morning on Tuesday or Monday, Monday. Then I hear a knock in my door. That time I was renting an apartment. So in my apartment, I had a knock. When I do that, they say, "Are you Mang Mang?" I said, "Yes." They said, "Okay, sharp. We have a case against you, blah, 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 blah." I said, "Sharp. Let me dress up. Let me take my BMW keys, and then let's go." I took my BMW keys. Listen to this. This is the whole story, guys. So I took my BMW keys. So I went to my 4 Series, and then with the other detective, we drive together. We play some jazz music. Everything was nice. We're playing Masilela, some jazz music.
Wow.
When we got the court, but when now you're with this girl, you posted these pictures. I dumped this girl like 2019. What the hell do you think I am? This I sent them a screenshot. The girl said, "Sorry," I say yes. Said, "Sharp. Without even that I'm guilty, I wanna pay bail just because I'm free. I really wanna pay bail. I wanna just I paid bail and I went. That girl, she even took my passport, my clothes, and I kept quiet. I'm still living and I'm still happy.
Yo,
that's bad, bro.
That is very bad. These girls, they'll do anything just to get money from you because
she was in. Listen to this. She was in Cape Town last week, with some guy, She was like, "Oh, Cape Town is nice." While I showed her Cape Town in 2016, but I'm not concerned about that. I'm just trying to say that how evil is that girl?
Very evil. Wicked.
I'm sorry for that, my brother.
I'm really sorry for that.
No, I have a beautiful girlfriend now. Right now, she's listening. She's take care of me. She makes sure that
people always take advantage of you and talk trash about you, and you're a very good person. You
a very
good
I don't
person.
know you personally, but I know you from the Insta, whatever.
Yeah.
Listen, you are a nice person. And
no problem is that